We all know that losing weight can be a task. But did you know a few lifestyle changes can help you in the long run to lose weight? These 7 tips will help you shed those extra kilos easily. Start your day right with at least 2 glasses of water. This will help you flush out all the toxins and boost your metabolism. There is absolutely no water intake when you're sleeping, which can also lead to dehydration. And this little step will kickstart your morning, helping you stay fresh and hydrated. No matter how busy you are in the morning, do not skip your breakfast. As a research says that people who have a good breakfast in the morning tend to lose weight faster. And skipping breakfast can slow down your metabolism. So if you're running late to school, college or work, just pack your breakfast and have it on your way. A small portion of snacks every 2 to 3 hours will help you stay fresh and full all day long. And eating balanced meals throughout the day will help your body boost its metabolism and burn more fats. Avoiding the junk completely while you're trying to lose weight can be difficult. But here's a way you can add a small amount of junk in your in-between snacking when you crave for it. The rule is to have a handful only. Eating straight out of the packet is the worst, as you tend to eat more than you should. So always take a handful of it, put it in a bowl so you know when your snack time is over. While you eat right and at the right time, a little exercise can help you shed those extra kilos even faster. You can try an at-home workout, go out for a run for 30 minutes, or you could even take up your favorite sport and be good at it. This will not only help you burn more calories, but will also keep you fresh and relieve stress. Eating on time is very important when you're trying to lose weight. When you eat late at night, the calories are stored as fats and not converted into energy, which will in turn result in weight gain. Lastly, a good amount of sleep is as important as eating right and exercising. Poor sleep can increase the levels of ghrelin, which triggers hunger. Try these tips and tricks while you are on your weight loss journey, as these little changes can go a long way. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.